8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Engine ignition 2, 1, 0.
NASA launched Mars Perseverance rover along with helicopter called as Ingenuity using Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral last year. After a long hard journey of 6 months, Perseverance landed precisely and gently on Mars' J0 crater via sky crane on 18th of February this month. But what exactly is Mars 2020 mission and what are its objectives? Well, let's find out. The Perseverance rover has 4 science objectives that will support Mars exploration program. The first of this goal is searching for habitability. The Perseverance rover focuses on surface-based studies of Martian environment and will search for evidence of biosignatures in rock samples. These rock samples are formed in ancient Martian environment with conditions that might have been favorable to microbial life. Past Martian climate conditions are focus of Perseverance rover mission. The rover's instruments are looking for evidence of ancient habitable environment where microbial life would have existed in past. The mission will monitor the climate of Mars for over 1 full Martian year, which will help NASA understand how Mars behaves over its seasonal cycle. The Perseverance rover is designed to study the rock record to reveal more about geological processes that have created and modified the Martian crust and surfaces through time. Each layer of rock on Martian surface contains record of environment in which it was formed. This will give us an idea about the building blocks of life on Mars in past. Eventually, humans are most likely to go on Mars. Getting astronauts to Martian surface and returning them to Earth safely is one of the difficult engineering challenges humans have to face in upcoming decade. Perseverance rover will give an thorough understanding of Martian environment, which is critical for safe operation of equipment and human health in upcoming missions. Perseverance rover will monitor Martian soil containing superoxides, which will give us an idea about the effect of Martian soil on humans. This mission will pave the way for future human exploration to Mars. Mars 2020 mission will demonstrate a variety of technology that would advance future red planet exploration effort. For instance, a tiny solar-powered helicopter named Ingenuity is flying to Mars attached to Perseverance belly. It will attempt to become the first rotorcraft ever to fly on a world beyond Earth. The successful flight of Ingenuity would pave the way for extensive aerial exploration of red planet down the road. Perseverance will also carry an instrument called as Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment or MOXIE, which is designed to generate oxygen from thin carbon dioxide dominated Martian atmosphere. Mars 2020 is not just another rover mission. Perseverance rover is the most advanced, most expensive and sophisticated mobile laboratory sent to Mars. The result of the experiments performed by Perseverance will likely define the next couple of decades of Mars exploration. It will determine the course of search for life and pave the way for future manned mission to Mars.